So I just woke up and hey little buddy. I just saw Young A's video. If Blizzard suspended a what's their card? Hearthstone player. Because he vocalized his opinion on the Hong Kong protests. Uh that's insane. That's insanely scary as well. You have a mega billion-dollar corporation uh basically being Big Brother, being authoritarian, tyrannical in some sense, suspending a player for vocalizing his opinion. I believe it's its own home country about the protests and what's going on. China's a very authoritarian communist government, um, and so he kind of wants to keep that out of his sovereign country of Hong Kong. Sovereign. I mean, it's located indirectly in China, so I don't know how. But either way, still, that is ridiculous of Blizzard. First of all, to take a stand or take a side in what's going on, um, when they can't even put together a decent game anymore. You guys struggle putting together a game, and now you're pissing people off with this bullshit. Uh, Dude, just fucking. Oh my god. I don't know if I'll ever buy another Blizzard product again because of this shit. This is really pissing me off. These fucking mega corporate. Dude, these corporations don't give a fuck about people. Do we need to be reminded of that again? I don't know. I think we do because so often people are willing to hand over their rights or hand over whatever to these corporations who just want your fucking money. They don't care. Like when you see corporations with utilizing their logos with the rainbow flag, dude, they don't care about that shit. They just want your money. They want you to see, hey, yeah, we told the line, and we want, we're like you. They're not like you. They're not like us. They just want our money. They don't care how they get it. So man, I don't know, man. They can. I can't believe they would do some stupid shit like this. From the OK sign, oh, the white power sign, okay. You're so fucking ridiculous. Jesus fucking Christ. Make a good game. Make a good game. Just make games. That's it. Just fucking make games. It's so easy. Ain't it, Lone? Ain't that so easy? It's seriously so. It's not easy, but you've proven you can do it. You can just done it time and time again before. And you shoot yourself in the foot and you distance your fan base from you guys when you do ridiculous shit like this. Blizzard, quit fucking around. Unsuspend this Blitz Chung guy. Unsuspend him, right? That's so insane, man. Just, oh my god. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not gonna buy shit from you guys because you guys don't put anything out, and you guys are fucking morons. You have to rely on fucking 15-year-old video games to save your ass, and you reboot them and shit. So silly. Oh my god. Fucking Blizzard. Ugh. Well, first thing in the morning. Here you go. That's just my opinion. That's one opinion from a guy who's just waking up, doesn't know shit about the subject, just saw a little bit on it. But goddamn, SMH, SMH, right, Looney Bear? Fuck you, Blizzard.